is dirty. I'm back again. I'm about to play some shit. I mean, yeah, but then that's back at it again, Daniel. It's like,
NRG seats here. We got
NRG, damn. These are Recaro seats.
Cut it.
Nah, I can always edit it. This is what I'm gonna use. Shit right here. Brush, spray, and then the suction nip thing. So, alright, this is after video of what we did. So basically a before and after. See how they came out. They came out pretty clean. I know I didn't do a close-up video like this on the other ones, but you can see that. I know this is ripped here, but I'll probably get it stitched up. I don't know, I'll see what's up in this too. You know, the wear of sitting down. But other than that, see now after videos. Let me move the seat over. They are on EK rails, so they'll definitely just fit my car. I mean, now here it is coming off a little bit, but you're gonna be looking at that, so I'll be all right. This one to here. Everything works. This one's fresher than that one because this is the passenger seat. I mean, no wear here because the way they sit on it. But other than that, this side is way better than this one. As you can see. Yep, it goes for Recaro seats on EK rails. Right down here. This one's not coming off the lucky zip tie there. I'll leave it there. Oh wow, they ripped off. I didn't even notice this, and then he zip tied it. But that doesn't really bother me because you know how to see that. But yep, a before and after video of what the seats turned out to be. Show how dirty they were. Alright, thanks for watching my video, and I'm gonna see if I put these on my car because I got rid of the S2000 seats, but I got Integra seats in my car now, so, but they're not mine, they're a buddy of mine, so if anything I'll swap those over, put these on, rock these for a little bit, and most likely get rid of them again, and probably, because I really want the blue ones, the RSX ones, but those go for a lot, so if I could get lucky, or I could get the ITR ones, because my headliner is blue and the seats are red, so it's not really gonna match, even though I had S2000 seats that were red, but I just wanted to use them for a while before I got rid of them. So yeah, I'm not trying to make the video long, so thanks for watching. PC, I don't want to be adios.